Hello guys, I am Naveen Kumar. So first I will tell my intro. Yeah, I'm already told my name and after currently I am working for IT sector. Now I am senior associate software engineer and after I will provide training also. Okay, so in this video we will see JavaScript concept with real-time examples also. Okay. So what in the IT sector they provide training the same like that I also teach you. Okay. So I'm already told in this video we will see JavaScript concept. Okay. So first we will see how to set up JavaScript. First we will see. Okay. So first we want to create one folder. Okay. Yeah, I created and after I will give any random name. Okay. Okay, I created and after we want to do this folder will open in VS Code. So how to open? So many ways there. So that inside professional way I will tell just listen. First I'll open this folder and after this path inside I give command cmd. After command, this command prompt it will open. Now this command prompt inside, I will give command is code. Yeah, this code for what? This code if you give means our folder, it will open in VS Code. Okay, I'll give enter. Now it will open VS Code. Okay, so just see here our VS Code name and our folder name. The both is same. So our folder now in open VS Code side. Okay. So before that, I want to tell one the basic. Okay. So what is the basic means? The website if you take means the website core language is there. So what is the core language means? HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay. So now we will see JavaScript. I will explain HTML, CSS, JavaScript first. What play the role? Okay. Actually, HTML handle the content. So if you open any website, for example, I'll open some website, just see random any website. Okay. So for example, yeah. So this website now is opened. So this content is there, right? This content, it will manage HTML side. And after here one structured and after here colored the style is there, right? That style handle CSS. And after if I click form means this form it will be open other side. Okay, this form it will be open other side or otherwise if I click this option also it will become the left to right side. So this kind of functionality is there, right? This functionality it will handle JavaScript. So you just understand HTML handle content, CSS handles style and JavaScript handle functionality. Okay. So first we want to create HTML. Why? Because so in website content is there means we can do functionality. Without content, we can't functionality. Correct? So first we will create HTML by HTML file. Why? Why? Because HTML inside only we can feed content. So only first we will create HTML file. Okay. So index.html I will create. Okay. So first of all, do you know why HTML name is hypertext markup language? Do you know? So I will tell hypertext. Okay. Hypertext means hyper means linked. Text means content. Markup means structure. Language means the structure language only they mention language. Okay. So hyperlink text I told. So for example, anchor tag is there, right? That anchor tag inside what we will create, the anchor tag inside, we give any external link. If click that anchor tag means that page, it will be transferred to the another page. This is called linked content. I mean hypertext. Markup means HTML inside we will follow some structure like tags, syntax, symbols. So this kind of is there called markup. Okay. So it's totally this is for hypertext markup language. So only they are told HTML means hypertext markup language. Okay. So first I will create one boilerplate. Okay. So next I will tell CSS. Okay. So why they are called CSS? So first of all, I will create one CSS file style.css. Actually, why we want to create CSS? For in our website compared to other site, my website want to different. So this kind of difference way to we will do CSS wise, we can do style in our website. Okay, compared to other site, in our site, if you want to different means, we want to use CSS and we can do styles, animations, hover effects, some more is there in CSS. And after the main content, why CSS means cascading style set. We want to know, right? First of all, what is cascading? So cascading means what? I will tell. So we can one to many. So one tag we can give multiple style, right? That is called cascading. So I will give example. That way you just see here. Okay. So first of all, I will connect that external CSS used to link tag. Yeah, now I connected. Just see here. For example, I will take h1 tag. Inside, I will give hello world. Okay. So this h1 tag is a single tag, but this CSS inside, I can create multiple style. For example, color and font size and font weight. So the one tag now we are giving multiple style, right? So one to many. This is called cascading. And style sheet means we can given here style. Sheet means the CSS. Okay, the structure is called remaining a sheet. Okay, the sheet inside we can add style. How to means cascading wise. That is called CSS. Okay, so next. So next coming to JavaScript. So the JavaScript where we want to connect, that is the main part. So the perfectly if you want to work in your JavaScript means the body end tag, right? This body end tag. The body end tag before you want to connect this JavaScript. Actually, two type wise we can connect. One type internal JavaScript, another type external JavaScript. Actually, why we want to connect internal external means internal JavaScript inside you can give minimum line of code, but you can give n number of code also you can give, but usually professional using internal structure inside minimum line of code only they are using. Why? Because now we are connected internal JavaScript. If you want to connect means this script tag inside only you want to connect. So this script tag inside whatever you write, it's considered JavaScript code. Actually, this is the internal structure. So the internal structure above some more HTML code, it will become correct. So already in this page, HTML code is there, but internal structure wise, in this page, we will add some more JavaScript code means it will be happen for confusing. So only if you want to use minimum line of code means you want to use internal structure. And after, if you want to write n number of code means that time you want to use external structure. So external structure means what means first we want to create JavaScript external file. Okay. So for example, I will create now script.js. So now this is external file. Okay. Yeah. And after that, okay, and after that, I want to connect inside the HTML, I want to connect external structure. For example, script, let's see here, script script tag that inside I'll add for one attribute. That attribute name is called source attribute. Okay. So this source attribute inside I will connect script.js. Okay. I will using to sibling selector method wise. I will connect the script.js. Okay. So now we are connected, but we don't know the code it's perfectly sync or not. If you want to know means so that have one code is there. Okay, that code I will tell. Before that, I will just my on local server. So many way is there. So I have that extension, live server extension. I'm already installed. So here, if you see means go live option is there, right? The go live, if you click means our local server run and after it will create our local server. Okay, just see now our local server is on. Okay, so this first I will tell internal script it's perfectly sync or not I will tell now. So this internal script inside I will use alert code. So this alert code if you create after our UI side, user interface side, it will be show pop-up means the internal structure perfectly sync. We can understand. Okay. So now the internal structure perfectly sync. So next we will check external structure. It perfectly sync or not. Now we want to check. So the same code, the external inside also, I will use the time. It will show pop-up means our external structure also perfectly sync. I'm just okay. And after I will give refresh. I refresh the time. It will be show pop-up means the external structure also perfectly sync. We can easily understand. Just see here. Yeah. Now our UI side pop-up showing so we can easily understand now our external structure also perfectly sync. Okay, so this is for the setup method and after I will explain JavaScript name is why JavaScript. Okay, I will explain. Okay, just listen. Actually, the JavaScript made the time 1995. That time, Java programming language is a very popular. So inspired to that Java word they are taking. And after the script, the script only the main word. Why? Because our JavaScript language, it's run like a the script word only. So if you want to, I'll tell, just understand if you want to know me before you want to know script writing. Okay, so script writing means don't think that professional script writing already written the exam, right? So already we completed written exam. So this written exam it's kind of script writing. Okay, so the written exam also it's kind of script writing, right? So how to we written exam? For example, here one question is there means here one question is there. How do we will write the answer? So left to right wise, we will write the answer. Okay. So we will write our answer. So once the first line complete after, I will go to the second line, I will write the answer. Okay. So this kind of only our JavaScript also it will executing. Actually, so here, how do we return the exam? So left to right twice we written exam. So the first line done after coming to the second line. Second line also we started from left to right twice. Okay. So this is called script language. Okay. So actually here the JavaScript, the script what it will be tell means the JavaScript execute line by line code execution and left to right axis by it will check. So only the script it added totally this is called JavaScript. Okay. So I think you understand. If you not understand, put in comment. I will explain. Okay. Briefly, I will explain. Okay.